इसके बाद मैं आवाज़ देना चाहूँगा एक ऐसे होनहार स्टूडेंट को जो सर के बहुत ख़ास एडिटर भी हैं और जिनकी एआई में बहुत पहचान भी है। आप इनको एआई का बेताज बादशाह भी कह सकते हैं। मैं उनको आवाज़ देना चाहूँगा। न कर तकदीर से शिकवा मुकद्दर आज़माते जा, न कर तकदीर से शिकवा मुकद्दर आज़माते जा, मिलेगी खुद ब खुद मंजिल बस कदम आगे बढ़ाते जा। मैं आवाज़ देना चाहूँगा मिस्टर हसन अब्बास को।
A very warmful good afternoon, dear judges and sir and my dear friends. Well, today is a speech comparison class and I skip everything, and first of all I want to say that thank you sir giving me this opportunity to speak here, because of it's skip my suffocation, it's skip my hesitation, and it's give me lots of lesson, and here I learn lots of things. Thank you sir from bottom of the heart. Well, my name is Hassan Said and I'm 17 and a half year old. Currently, I'm a video editor and thumbnail designer. That's all about me. Today, I will speak about a very important, very necessary, very crucial and very booming and very popular in the tech category, which is AI. I divide my speeches in some parts. That's why you all are understand my speech very well. That's why I divide it. First one is basic of AI. Second one is types of AI, third one is core ideas in AI, and fourth one is application of AI, and fifth one is how to you become AI engineer. I give you a small mind map, means roadmap, and last one is disadvantage of AI. Like everything hold a disadvantage and drawback. Well, I start my session, I start my speech. What is basic of AI? The AI, which is stand for artificial intelligence. Artificial means here two terms come, artificial and intelligence. What's the meaning of artificial? Like a human create anything, it's called artificial. Like you create a robot, it's called artificial. You create any machine, it's called artificial. You create a human create anything, it's called artificial. Let's come on the second term, which is intelligence. What's the meaning of intelligence? Intelligence means a human, a thing which is capable to give the answer of a question. It's called capability, intelligence of that thing. Like you search on a Google, what is weather today? You search on a Google, what is the distance between Saraimir and Sanjarpur? It's give you answer. It's called capability of that Google. And here it's called intelligence of the Google. In Hindi we call intelligence means buddhimata, vivek and akal. And let's come on the second point, which is types of AI. Three types of AI. First one is narrow AI, and second one is generative AI, and last one is super AI. What is narrow AI? AI which is focused on one task is called narrow AI. Like here everybody play the computer Ludo and computer chess. It's based on a narrow AI. And let's come on the second point, which is generative AI. What is generative AI? Like everybody use in a 2025 generative AI, because of it's a you create image, you create video, even you use ChatGPT. Is based on a generative AI. And I give you lots of example. Like first one is ChatGPT, second one is DeepSeek. Here they are based on a generative AI. Let's come on the third point, means last point, which is super AI. AI, it's called future AI, which is surpass the human intelligence in a future, means it's greater than the human intelligence. And let's come on the second big point, which is core ideas in AI. First one is ML, which is stand for machine learning. Second one is DL, which is stand for deep learning, and third one is NLP, which is stand for natural language processing. What is ML? It means machine learning. Like here everybody saw the robot in a film. The robot based on a machine learning, because of you collect some data and you feed that data on a robot, on a car, like a car drive without driver. It's called automation. You feed that data, so you give a lesson to the machine. It's called machine learning. And let's come on the second, which is deep learning. What is deep learning? Deep learning means here everybody use the typing mic. When you type any long prompt, you use typing mic. Is based on a voice recognition, and voice recognition based on a deep learning. Now let's come on the NLP. What is NLP? Means natural language processing. What is natural language processing? Like you search any question on a YouTube, you search the mic button, and when you ask any question in your native language, it's give you answer. It's called natural language processing. And let's come on the application of AI. Here lots of application of AI. I give you something. First one is it's used in healthcare, second is finance, and third one is education, fourth one is creativity. I try to explain it. First one, how it is used in a healthcare. Like everybody know about the X-ray, MRI, and they are detect the disease, and here works AI. And let's come on the second, which is point, which is finance. How it is used in a finance. Finance, like when you search any question where I spend my money, when you search any question to any chatbot where I spend my money, give me a graph, and it's give you graph. So here it's act like your assistant, means chartered accountant, means CA. So it is used in a finance. And let's come on the education. How it is used in education. Like everybody use the ChatGPT. When you think about any question and you ask question, it's like a teacher. And let's come on the last, which is creativity. How it is used in a creativity. Like everybody create the image, video, and lots of things. So here works creativity, because of when you write your prompt, when you write your creativity on that any chatbot, any AI bot, so it's give you image, video. So here also use AI. And let's come on the how you become AI engineer. I give you a small roadmap. That's why you understand my point. First one is you need mathematics. In the mathematics you need lesson probability, statistics, and differentiation, integration, and lots of chapters, and vector. And let's come on the which I suggest you a coding language, which is you start your journey of the AI. So first of all you learn Python, because of Python is the most easiest and loved language in the world, and it's open source language. And let's come on this last, which is disadvantage of AI. Like first, the biggest disadvantage of face swiping. Bad people, they are swipe the face of any people and they are blackmailing them. If you are not giving me that X amount of money, Y amount of money, I humiliate you, I leak your video, I leak your image. And they are that's a big problem. And second is this scam. Like everybody knows about this scam. And at the end I want to say that please about the AI, because of this era everybody want to learn about AI, because of if you are not learn about AI, so you are not able to survive in a world. Because of if you like tech but you don't know about the AI, you haven't any information about AI, so how you survive it? Like after sometimes anybody humiliate you, anybody blackmail you, how you know that where here use AI, it's a fake video, it's a not right video. So I request you all at the end you learn about the AI. And thank you sir, you listening me, because of